What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video I will unbox this Boya BY-WM4 Pro wireless microphone. Then I will put it together and then we will test it here in my garage, because I'm planning to use this when I'm doing these garage videos for YouTube. And after the intro we will do unboxing, put it back together, and then we will test it. But now, short intro. This seems to be a quite nice setup. There is this case, small case. There is a pocket for extra wires and clips, which is quite handy. I think this might be quite good, especially here in the garage where I have some dust. So this is quite nice. Then we have a transmitter. There is a line in and a line for microphone, and there's a on and off switch and a pair button, and a quite handy clip for this transmitter. I just have to find 4 batteries for the transmitter and for the receiver. There is also a line in line out in this receiver, and this line goes to, for example, smartphone or PC or camera. And there's a place for headphones that you can check that the wireless microphone is working, and there's a on-off switch also, and a volume and a pair button, and also handy clip. There was also a shoe mount in this kit. Microphone, of course, and I think this wire is just perfect for my use, and this goes in the transmitter. And there's this wind stopper here for the mic, and it goes there. Yes, perfect. And then there is also a clip for the microphone. Yes, and it's ready for use. And 2 wires. This is for the receiver. This goes to the receiver, and this end goes to camera or laptop. And this wire is for smartphone. It says here that this end goes to the microphone, and this end goes to smartphone. I need 4 AAA batteries. And first I will take the transmitter. There's a slide cover. Yes, opens nicely. And then there is a instruction which way this comes inside. Plus comes top and minus comes on top. And close it. And then I will connect the microphone in like that. And I put it on, and you can see there's a blinking blue light there. So I think it's transmitting now, at least I hope it. Then we have the receiver, same thing, sliding the cover up or out, putting batteries in, plus and minus like that. and I will turn it on. And I think we should have some kind of signal quite soon. I try to push the pair button and the pair button from the transmitter also. Yes, now it's transmitting. Nothing yet. But while I'm waiting, I'm connecting the line out. This end says microphone, it comes here. And this end will go to my smartphone, that one there you're watching. But why it's not connecting? Yes, now I just did it again, and now we have a blue light, and now I think we have a connection between transmitter and receiver. And next we will test, can you hear me? Yes, this is first part of the microphone, wireless microphone test. I hope you can hear me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Houston, Houston, we have a problem. But now just check the red Peugeot. Ta-da! Here I am. I hope you can still hear me. There's a small echo here in the garage. And now the distance to the camera is about 10 meters. And I hope when I'm walking towards the camera you can still hear me as loud as back there. And I'm coming closer, closer, closer. And now I'm quite close, like 5 centimeters. And next I will turn the camera like this. You can see outside. This should work up to 50 meters, but without obstacles in front. You can see there's my fruit tree there. It's about 6 meters outside. So next I will walk there and we will see how the walls will affect to the voice. I hope they don't, how would I say? I hope that it doesn't affect the sound quality. And now going out from the door and closing the door. I hope you can still hear me. And now I'm walking to the tree. I actually don't know the name for this fruit tree, but these are small red fruits with the stone inside. In Finnish we call it luumu. I don't know which that is in English, and I hope this have had enough water, because we have had quite dry summer. Now we have had some water, but rain, but it has been quite dry here in Finland, also quite hot. But I hope that you can still hear me. I'm just about to come in like this. And we are almost in the end of this test number 1. And now, second and the last part of this microphone test. I will walk about 60 meters that way, counting my steps. So you will know this immediately when it stops, and then you stop hearing me. Then I will walk back to the 50 meters, and I hope the microphone will still work because it should work to the 50 meters. At least they promise it. But let's go. I will speed up the count so it won't take so long. Just a sec. 1, 2, 3. 59 and 60 meters. I don't know if you can still hear me, but then I will walk back to the 50 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm standing in 50 meters and I hope that you can still hear me. That would be nice. I'm liking more and more about this mic. It gives me a lot of new opportunities to make these videos, and now I just don't have to face the camera all the time when I'm talking. Now I can turn my head and you can still hear me, which is nice. And I will put all the specifications to the description and also the features. Well, maybe not the features, they are more like commercial things like super clear recording sound, nice, compatible with smartphones, DSLR cameras, smartphones, consumer camcorders, PCs, and so on. Lightweight and compact for easy carrying, that's a plus. It would be quite interesting if this would be like a brick. It would be a little bit difficult to carry. Omnidirectional lavalier microphone. I don't have a clue what that means, but lavalier might mean this microphone clip or the system like it is. Easy to use, that's true. Even I can operate this system. Hard case included, yes, that's a bonus. This is especially in my use when I'm traveling and using it in the garage, that's a good thing. A standard camera shoe mount and clip included, that's true. Up to 50 meters, it's 146 feet, 144 feet, operation range without obstacle, and power supplied by 2 AAA batteries for both transmitter and receiver, yes. And like I said, I will put all the specifications to the video description. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, that would be nice. And comment down below what kind of wireless microphones you are using when you are doing videos. It would be nice to know. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now's a perfect time to do that. And also press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.